welcome. I am here with my friend Jesus Molina. Jesus has been filming a course for piano on improvisation.
When you improvise, you're literally speaking. Anybody who wants to experience more creativity and how to develop your music and of course your own voice and bringing your soul out in your music, definitely you gotta take this course.
And one of the things that I've noticed is that you can pull a beautiful melody out of thin air. And I want to know how you do it.
Okay, let's do it.
So we're going to be looking at this.
Let's pick a key.
You pick a key.
Let's pick F. Why not?
All right. F.
Well, first of all, we gotta know the scale of F. If I ask you which grade of the scale of F, which grade is this?
3.
This one?
6. 2.
Important knowing every single grade, because if you don't have the control of knowing grades, we cannot make it like a beautiful melody.
Okay.
Now let's do like a simple melody like this. The tempo gonna be like this. Down. We have a melody. And let's do that.
How did you know that was gonna sound so pretty? How did you know?
Being honest is like just imagining like a melody in your head first.
So
like,
you hear it in your head first.
I try to hear everything before I play it. It's like I am using 4th grade here, 3rd, 1st grade, 5th grade, and 2nd. It's like a beautiful melody, like. And you can give it literally like. It works perfect with the 4th grade.
What is this?
This chord is like a F major over A, but this instead doing with the 3rd grade,
Yeah.
you remove the 3rd grade and you do it with a 9.
So
see?
could you think of that almost as like a sus chord here?
Exactly like a sus chord, but sus 2.
Sus 2.
F sus 2. Entonces, and the sus 2 is the melody if you sing.
Yes.
That's why you gotta change it. That's why you gotta put this F sus 2. This is a G minor. You see G minor, the 2nd grade. You can do F9 if you want, always respecting the melody, the motive. This is kind of like a hard chord,
No.
but this is like D minor 11. You are just adding literally and the 11 that's with D and the melody you see. Between these intervals are just all 11 and minor 11 works perfect. Can you play that chord for us?
No.
Let me tell you, it's not that hard.
Well, okay. F.
Like this. You put like a C major and a D.
I just
Play it. You have a D minor 11.
Oh, it's beautiful.
That's not that hard, you see?
Not that hard. If I can do it, you can do it.
Well, and you keep exploring.
So you're just using scale notes.
Just a scale note, nothing else. I think like this type of motives and this type of things is kind of better like when you are open. Of course, you are using just the scales, but the way you do the voice lead, that's the most important thing.
So the voice leading, so where you're taking the melody?
Yes. For example, this chord that is F major 7. But
Yeah.
if you do it instead with the third, you put the 9, you start doing inversions of this.
Oh, and it pulls the ear.
And now try to do all of these inversions with the 4th grade. Just put this. Oh.
And suddenly inversion practice is beautiful and musical.
And if you want to do a classical arpeggio, you are literally doing exactly the same chord, but you are becoming in a melody. You see?
Yes, it's so pretty.
All melodies are chords. Yeah, improvise.
My ears just went somewhere else. I went out of my body for a second. That was amazing.
But that's the idea. You see, like you're in the flow. You're making it, and everybody can do it.
One of my favorite things that you taught in your course was how you take time every day to just explore and create like this.
Exactly. 30 minutes of this.
I think that'll be good for my mind and my spirit and my hands. So there you go, friends. I hope that you take this and go take your 30 minutes, go create, go express yourself, and have some fun.